Right. So I'm just gonna again try and paint a picture here. So the only way we can talk about this stuff is in physical or in dimensionality of some kind. But I'm imagining like a big grid, and that grid is in its entirety data, and each point on the grid is also data. In that example, the only thing that is unique about the points is their location. So they have one particular property that is their location that is different from each other. And I guess I'm trying to understand, in your model, is that the kind of framing that you do in terms of difference in data? Like, would you say that there's one property that's different? And can you speak to that? Or would you say there's some other faculty of the little d's that makes them not just big D?
Well, the thing that distinguishes little d's from big D, and really like the notation is not sufficient because ideally the d's would get smaller, it's the level of abstraction from the original. So like the way I see it is, you have obviously the absolute, and then that theoretical data or possible data, that's an abstraction, right? That's why I call it an inner embedding. And you get more abstract than that by obviously going into, say, possible being within a possible world, right? That's a further abstraction. And then possible beings within possible worlds have minds that have ideas, and those minds make their own abstractions about the world.
Yeah.
So it sort of descends inward in a way, in some sort of way that doesn't seem to have an end almost. But
right.